Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. For several weeks, I've been promising you guys a video about what a well-structured blog post looks like. So we're going to talk about that today. The primary purpose of your blog post is to impart facts or opinions in a way that is palatable to the reader. So here's how you create a blog post that your audience will love. First, the title. This is the thing that will make someone decide whether to click or not. I will devote a video to this because there are several considerations, but the most important thing is for your title to be relevant. Second, you will want to break up your post with headings and subheadings. Like the title, the headings and subheadings need to tell your reader about what's to come. They need to be relevant. Third, include some images. Check out the video I did about sourcing images for your blog posts. A link is in the description. Ideally, you'll want a feature image that reflects the overall topic and then some images within the article that relate to the particular sections. Fourth, we get to the actual blog post itself. Some brief tips. Keep your audience in mind and write at a level that matches their knowledge of the topic. Short sentences, short paragraphs. Don't forget about SEO and the use of keywords. I'll put a video about that in the description. Make use of bulleted and numbered lists. That's an easy way to digest information and it visually breaks up the text. And finally, you should end with a call to action, or if there is no clear call to action, a question that is designed to generate engagement. Those are the basics, but there are many elements that go into creating a good blog post. If you want a Q&A video about this, let me know. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.